Hey guys, welcome to the Conscious Entrepreneurs channel. Now, in this video, I'm going to share with you a few ways that you can use a very awesome tool to make money and grow your business. Okay, so obviously in this video, what we're talking about is Gumroad. Okay, this is probably why you clicked on this video, because you want to know how you can make money on Gumroad uploading ebooks. Okay, and in this video, I'm not actually going to show you the whole process and the tutorial and a training on how to upload, but in other videos, I will go through a full in-depth training on how you can upload your ebooks on Gumroad. Okay, but in this video, I want to show you something really exciting. Okay, and this is basically in a nutshell. So as you can see here, creators deserve to get paid for their work. Gumroad makes it easy. So basically, Gumroad is a platform that you can upload ebooks, courses, and you get paid for it. Okay, their platform is completely free, so you don't even have to pay to upload. I think they take a small fee for each sale, but it's really awesome, and it's really cool for content creators and people that don't have much money to spend online, like to get started in business. And it's a great place, like, just to sell your courses, like host your products and your courses. Okay, some places there are a fee when it comes to creating and selling your content, whether it be your courses or your ebook. So Gumroad is really good for that. But in today's video, I want to share with you something very, very exciting. And basically, it's a software that creates an ebook in 5 minutes. Okay, so you don't have to have any writing skills or any technical skills. This basically does it for you. Okay, so now just imagine if you've got this software. Okay, and if you want more information on the software, just the link is in the description. But basically, what this software does is it creates highly stunning, as you can see, stunning designs here. Very good quality designs, ebook covers, and also the content. It creates amazing content in all different niches. Okay. So now there are different ways that you can use your ebooks for. You can use it as a lead generation magnet, and basically what that means is someone signs up to something for free. Usually, obviously, you're the book that you're giving away. So I can create a 5-minute book on weight loss. Okay, and if, for example, if I'm in the weight loss niche, and I can basically take people to the capture page to sign up as a lead for free, and then simply get them to sign up as a lead, and they'll be on my email list. Okay, that's one way you can do it. Another way you can do it, which is really, really cool, you can actually upload that ebook on Gumroad, sell it for a very, very cheap price, for like $1, $2, $3, even $5. Okay, and basically the power of that, guys, is that even if it's a $1 product, basically what happens is when anyone buys from you on Gumroad, okay, you get access to their email. Okay, now what you can do is you can store that email in your database. What you can then do, I'm saying, store that email in your database, add them to your list, and now you have collected a buyer's email. Okay, now I don't know if you know the power of having a buyer's list, but this is very powerful, guys, because what usually basically, yeah. Okay, so basically, let me give you an example. If you had 10,000 people in your email list that were all freebies, they were all signing up to something for free. Okay, the chances of them buying from you is probably about. I think the rate is about, out of all of those people, probably 1% buy from you. Now that's if it's cold traffic. It may be way higher if it's hot traffic, but it's about 1%. But now, if you've got a buyer's list, yeah, you're basically filtering out all of those people. So you've got a buyers list. When you've got a buyers list, it's much more powerful. So literally, you can have 600 people in your email list, and because they're all buyers, that's going to make you so much more money than 5,000 people that mostly want all freebies. Okay. You've basically filtered them out, those people that actually buy. Okay. So, and this is what my coach told me. He said, if you want to make some really good money, focus on building a buyers list. Okay, because it filters out all the people that will never ever buy. Because there's some people, let's face it, no matter what you give them, they will never buy. They only want freebies. Okay, they will never actually want to spend any money for themselves. So basically, that's one way you can do it. Or you can simply just, if they are good quality books, because I haven't really, to be honest, I haven't bought this product, and I'm intending to buy this product to check it out for myself. And it's only $67 today. So just a $67 payment. And basically, so you use this software, create the books in 5 minutes, and if that book is like, if you read through the book and you think, wow, this is actually good quality, you could even charge even more, maybe £10 for it. Okay, because don't forget, on Gumroad, people are selling some really, really good content for like £12, £15. Okay, so it's good to if it is a short ebook but it has some good content, you could probably charge like a tenner for it, £10. And now just imagine if you have a whole bunch of these ebooks. Like, think about, if you can create one in 5 minutes, how many could you get done in a day? You could probably get 100. You could get probably 100 done in a day if you went proper, like full on this. You could probably get 100 done every single day and charge probably from £5 to £10 every day on Gumroad. Okay. And just remember, you're collecting those emails once again. So those emails, those are buyers, people that are interested. And what you could do is you can save that in a database as a buyer's list. Okay. So I don't know if you see the power in that, but guys, that is very, very powerful, because once you create a buyer's list, you can literally upsell to those people. Now, you want to make sure that if someone has bought a weight loss ebook, you have to be able to create a weight loss buyers list. You can't put them in any random list. Okay, it has to be specific to weight loss, because that person is interested in weight loss. Okay, hope that makes sense. So yeah, guys, if you want to test out this software for yourself, and the other really good thing is that it's cloud based. So that basically means you don't have to install the software on your computer. You just basically log into the platform, and you can use and access the software from the actual server of the website. Okay, which is really cool. Okay, so there is a video demonstration on how it works, how the software works, how it creates the videos and everything. If you want to check that out, there's a video here, as you can see. But it basically, in a nutshell, just gives you more information on the actual software itself. So yeah, all links are in the description below this video. Check it out. And in my next videos, I'm planning to hopefully do a Gumroad in-depth tutorial on how the whole process of how you upload the book, how you create it, and everything, and all of that. Okay, so have an awesome day. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in more upcoming videos.